Hello, first of all, download the app Open Camera from Google Play or elsewhere. Now I'm running the app Google Play, the app Open Camera. Connect this USB receiver to your cell phone via the included adapter, and then don't forget to set the audio source here, video setting, audio source, and choose external mic. Okay. Now you can take video or take photo here. For how to change the frequency when the microphone is on, keep holding the button, and after 5 seconds, and now click to choose the frequency channel and press for 1 second to confirm the new frequency. That's all.